Good morning, students. So today I'm going to show you one more. Uh, I'm going to show you one more pro job with the help of Git access. So I have a repository. See, this is a repository. This repository. So this repository is the same project which I have actually in last video I have used for Maven Jenkins. Like I used to fetch, I run test cases. I used to run from clean test, Maven clean test for the test cases. This is the same project. Just I have migrated from my local machine. I pushed it to my remote repository. So right now it is in remote repository. So I will be fetching this project from my from here to in Jenkins, and then I will run this POM file directly after fetching. So basically, when I fetch, it will create C users, my username Jenkins, and then here it will create a file folder with the job name, and inside the job, the whole uh, code will be there, and then POM file will be there. This POM file will be executed using Maven clean test. So how to do it? Please see. So I go to dashboard. I create new item. I name it as Git job, and I create it as a Maven project. Okay. So I go there, and this job has been created. So instead of none, previously we have created none. I go to Git. I select Git, and then I give the Git repository URL. So I will give the either the HTTPS, SSH, or GitHub CLI. So preferably I copy that HTTPS URL. I paste it. Now I need to provide the credentials. This credential is for email access. So this will not work here. I need to create a new credential for Git access. So I will go to add Jenkins username, and then I can give you can give username password or SSH username password. So SSH is more favorable because it's a secure. So I give SSH SSH Git access username. So the SSH username I have to give. SSH username I can find in Windows. You can find via this command, and from Linux or Mac you can find via this command. So I run this command in PowerShell, and I get this username. So I copy this. I go to Git job. I post this, and then private key. So how to create a private key? I go to here. I I I go to command prompt. I type SSH dash keygen. Enter. So this will ask where to save the file. So I simply press enter. Overwrite, because I have created previously overwrite. I create an SSH. That's why it's asking overwrite. For your case, it might not ask. So I'm trying to overwrite. Yes. Passphrase. No passphrase. Enter and enter, and then the SSH will be created. So C users divakares dot SSH. So I go to this location. SSH and this. So I open this. I copy this SSH private key, and I this posted this add. Okay, but there is no passphrase add. So it has been created. So I select this SSH git access. For advanced, there is nothing respec, nothing is required. You can see what is respec, everything repository. So there is nothing we are doing. What is that? Usually we are doing from main because I'm building from main. If I have a branch, I can name the branch. So I'm doing in main repository browser. If any browser, specialist browser you are using, here I'm in additional behavior root pom. So the main project is in pom only. Like after going to this repository, directly pom is there. So no need to mention, only pom is sufficient. Goal is clean test. Now I go to post build action, editable email notification, advanced settings, developer cross, advanced, reply to, and you can change the content type, subject, body, content, reply to, all those things. So I'm not doing anything. Save, and I'm clicking build now. So build has been started. So you can see it is cloning the repository from this. It is cloning, everything is cloning, parsing. So it is running the same thing which we have done in our local machine from command prompt. It is running in the same thing using the Jenkins build. And ultimately we'll see the build will be successful and it will send a mail as per our configuration. So you can see the build has been successful. Let me go to the mail. So I can see I got a mail, git job build successful, everything. So this way I can fetch